Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will teach you how you can use Material Design bottom navigation view in your Android application. Before starting the video, please hit that like button and subscribe this channel for more programming and coding related videos. Now let's back to the topic. Before using any Material Design component, first we need to add Material Design library in our project. Open this link. I will add all link in the description. Copy this dependency and paste this dependency inside our project build.gradle file. We will use stable version 1.1.0 and sync the project. Okay, project is successfully synced. Now, before using any Material Design component, we need to change app theme to Material Component theme. So let's change this theme. Material Components.light bridge. For now, we can add bottom navigation view inside our root layout. My root layout is constraint layout. Let's copy this code and paste it here. Now, for showing menu items inside bottom navigation, we need menu resource file. I have already created one with ID, icon and title. Let's rename this and provide our own menu resource file and make this layout to show at bottom of our parent layout. Let's run the code and see our result. So you can see our Material Design bottom navigation view is successfully applied. Let's customize it little bit. I will change background color with background tint property. Now let's quickly run it again. So our bottom navigation view is ready. Now let's implement click when user click any item of the navigation view. We will use item selected listener. With bottom navigation view. Bottom navigation view dot item set on item selected listener. We will pass here our item ID. Let's quickly write when item ID menu home when anyone click our home button, we will change the text. We will change this result text with message home. Let's change it. Result dot text equals to home. Let me make this text bigger. 30 SP. Now copy this 3 times. our other menu items. Menu notification. Change the message. And one default case. Now let's run the code and see the result. So when we click any item of our bottom navigation menu, result is changed. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.